14, which could be our final match of the Jones division. But in the meantime, we have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are off. VV Robots immediately scoring. Blue Alliance immediately training those 3. Unfortunately, a couple misses from 2, 2, 3, 1, 2. Blue Alliance in the lead in auto, and both of those ramps are filling up, but those gates are going to be opened immediately by these teams. 2, 4, 9, 2, 8. Hyperion draining those shots, but it looks like they might be out for the rest of auto unless they can. There we go. That gate leading the way for Hyperion to score just a couple more. But it looks like Blue Alliance is going to take the lead here in auto. VV Robotics still scoring. Can they open that gate?
Drivers,
looking at a little bit of overflow over on that blue ramp. We got 10 seconds. Blue Alliance is in the lead by a score of about 36 points. We're going to need to see those gates open as soon as possible. Some scramble for
3,
the extra artifacts around the field as well.
1.
And Red Alliance immediately going over to open that gate, but 1601 is there. 1601 is there, ready to steal those artifacts as soon as possible. VV Robots trying to set up some kind of cycle over there by the blue gate. Just keep it in the lead. 24928 trying to make up that difference though, stealing as many artifacts as they can as they come out from the blue ramp. 19116 has no room for error here if they leave any artifacts coming out. 24928 is there ready to pick up anything that they miss. But 16010 is still draining those shots as far as they can, not missing a single one, setting up that amazing far cycle over there with their human player. Red Alliance is trying to come back, but Blue is widening the gap. 60 points. 2-2-3-1-2, staying on that cycle. But can they catch up to VV Robots when it comes to that cycle? I don't know. Looks like they're going over trying to steal some of those small artifacts, trying to just get as much what is there. But that gate is overflowing. They need to grab it. We're seeing a Blue Alliance lead right here, still around 60 points, but this is still possible for the Red Alliance. 50 seconds left. 24928 just cycling like nobody's business, going over there, taking as much as they can from VV Robots. But VV Robots is still going. Nobody is in their way. Nobody can touch them. That gate is opening. 24928 trying as their best to catch up on this lead, but 16010 is there doing the same thing. Can they outcycle them fast enough to catch up? 30 seconds left in the match. They've scored 109 artifacts to 92. 2-2-3-1-2 trying to catch up. This could be it. We have 20 seconds left. The gap is closing. Red Alliance is trying their best. 2-2-4-9-2-8 still cycling those far shots, but VV Robots has gone over there, gone to try and grab as much as they can from that loading zone. The gap is closing. 5 seconds left. Only is 50 points now. They need these parks to win this game, and that is
division. Moving on to the finals will be your Blue Alliance. With a score of 426 to 390, your Blue Alliance will advance to match number 14. Let us give a warm Jones division goodbye.